Welcome to AI 101, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, the ultimate guide to demystifying the incredible world of AI. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Have you ever wondered how your smartphone can recognize your voice or how Netflix suggests those amazing shows you love? Well, you're in for an exciting journey because we're about to unravel the magic of artificial intelligence. This beginner-friendly video will take you on a fascinating ride through AI's basic concepts and real-world applications. Whether you're a tech whiz or just someone curious about the future, you're in the right place. We'll explore how AI can make machines think and learn, almost like magic. Imagine robots that mimic human movement with astonishing precision. We'll also dive into the practical side of AI, discover how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, finance, and even transportation. From diagnosing diseases to managing your finances better, AI is everywhere. Ever wondered how self-driving cars work? We'll break it down for you. We'll also show you how AI can help drones navigate the skies autonomously. And for all the aspiring AI scientists out there, don't worry, we've got you covered too. We'll peek into the latest breakthroughs in AI research and where the future might take us. So, whether you're here for the basics or ready to dive deep into AI, this video is your gateway to understanding the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence. Join us in this exciting journey into the heart of AI. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and embark on this adventure together. AI 101, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Where the future meets technology. Stay tuned for more incredible insights. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's all around us, shaping our world and revolutionizing industries. But what exactly is AI, and how does it work? That's what we're going to explore today. The development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI systems consist of algorithms, data, and computational power. These elements work together to mimic human-like cognitive functions. One of the critical branches of AI is machine learning. It's where AI systems learn from data, making predictions and decisions without being explicitly programmed. Think of it as teaching computers to learn and improve from experience. Now that we know what AI is, let's look at the types of AI. Two main categories are narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks. It excels at a particular job like facial recognition or language translation. Siri and Alexa are examples of narrow AI. On the other hand, general AI is more like the AI you see in science fiction movies, a machine that can perform any intellectual task a human can do. But we're not quite there yet. It's a goal for the future. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's transforming industries. Let's look at some exciting applications. Self-driving cars, for instance, use AI to perceive their surroundings, make driving decisions, and navigate safely. In healthcare, AI aids doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and even predicting patient outcomes. Virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant rely on AI to understand and respond to your voice commands. As exciting as AI is, it comes with its challenges and ethical considerations. Privacy concerns, algorithmic bias, and job displacement are just a few issues we must address as AI advances. AI is a powerful technology that's reshaping our world. We've covered the basics today, but this is just the beginning of your AI journey. Remember, AI is not just the stuff of science fiction. It's a tangible reality shaping our world today. From self-driving cars to revolutionizing healthcare, AI is making its mark in countless ways. So, whether you're excited about the future of AI research or want to understand how your favorite apps work, there's a place for you in the world of artificial intelligence. Find yourself contributing to the future of AI innovation. Thank you for joining us for AI 101, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. Remember, the future is bright, and AI is a big part of it. Stay tuned for more exciting AI content and remember to like, share, and subscribe for updates. Until next time, stay motivated. Happy AI innovation!